wind was southeast at 9. At Harrison, it was The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, east central McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, eastern Pittsburgh County in southeastern Oklahoma, western Leflore County in southeastern Oklahoma, Latimer County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Pushmataha County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northeast of Lake Killer State Park to 4 miles south of Kinton to 2 miles northeast of Daisy, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations in or near the path include Salissa, Wilberton, Stigler, Clayton, Muldrow, Spiro, Hartshorn, Warner, Jan Panama, Tallahena, Quinton, Gore, Porham, Webbers Falls, Keota, Red Oak, McCurtain, Bacosha, Fanshaw. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 276 and 321. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Oklahoma.
The current time is 4:59 p.m. Central Standard Time.
At 4 p.m., at the Fort Smith Regional Airport, it was cloudy.